Hello everybody, welcome to our third episode of Being an Entrepreneur podcast. So today what I'm going to talk about is how do you file your taxes at the end of the year when you own a business. So that's one of the main causes that kind of allows people to not want to start a business is because at the end of the year taxes. So I'm actually working with Keeper and I do have a referral code that I can provide for you. It will be in the description. But pretty much what Keeper does is it automatically deducts the taxes for you in terms of items that are qualified to be deducted for your business. So itemized items such as gas, if you were to purchase equipment for your business, if you have monthly bills that you have to pay for your business, then that'll be deducted and it'll be recognized by Keeper, and Keeper can also do your taxes at the end of the year as well. So not only do you see real-time deductions that apply towards your end of the year taxes for your business, it also allows you to have that opportunity to meet with a specialist that can do your taxes at the end of the year, so it's actually easier for you. There are two different subscription plans for Keeper. There's the yearly one, which is $192 a year, and you could pay $19 or $20 a month if you prefer the monthly one. And there's the other one, I think it's a longer term, but that's the one I want to focus more on, because when I talk to my audience, they're usually individuals that want to start a business, but again don't have the understanding of the foundation and how to start a business. So that's what this podcast is for, is to assist you in areas where I had to learn everything on my own, so it can make it easier for you to start your business. So right now I made a big purchase. I'm using my vehicle for Being an Entrepreneur Incorporated, which is also under Aspera Cafe. So that's the mother company and Aspera Cafe is the partner. And that I used my vehicle for business use, and thankfully I was able to have assistance. My mother was able to assist me in purchasing this vehicle for our company, and we were able to get a tax deduction about close to $4,000 applied towards the end of the year taxes. So if you're making a big purchase such as that, if you're using your vehicle, or if you're going to go on a trip for business use, then that's where becoming an owner has a big part as terms of saving on your finances, because a lot of what you do, if it's work related, saving your receipts is primarily your number one thing that you need to do, and having that on record just in case if the IRS were to pull up your account and would need proof of your purchases, then you have that on record and on hand, so you could provide to the IRS when that time comes, so if you were to get audited, for instance. But one of the main causes that people don't want to start a business is the end of year taxes, that franchise taxes that you have to pay for being operational. So in the state of California, it is $800. So I was actually able to talk to a representative on Keeper through chat, and I asked if it was possible to use that tax payout at the end of the year towards the taxes for the franchise tax board. And you can make arrangements to make that payment for the franchise tax board. In the state of California, it is $800, but you can use that money to make that payment. So that's one positive. One area that I was very stressed out about was, how am I able to make this $800 franchise tax board payment when I haven't made much revenue within the coming months? So that's one way of looking at it. And not only that, it does help when you have a business checking account and you're making purchases on that business checking account. So like big products like supplies, paper, ink. If you're paying for a loan on something that's towards your business, then that can be deducted. And you don't have to do anything. It automatically does it for you. So that's what's the great part about it. So Keeper is what I use to do my end of the year taxes. I am married, so I am filing jointly, and it does differ depending on the state you're in, and if you're filing separately or jointly, then the end of your year taxes will differentiate. However, it does not dismiss the fact that you will receive tax credit because you are a business owner, and that I will not get into as far as the reasons and the benefits of being a business owner, but those are some of the perks. So I did disclose earlier that there is a list I think in the first episode, of tax write-off items that you can have deducted. So if you want to know what that is, I'll attach a PDF file, and if this PDF file is not attached in the description, I haven't done that yet, I'll go ahead and send it to you. If you just message me, and I can reach out to you and send you that PDF if you want to see the itemized end of the year tax deduction sheet. It's a big sheet, very helpful in terms of what you're able to use and what you're not able to use, so you're always in the know, and it's very important to be knowledgeable of what you're doing and how you're operating your business, so you know you can reap the benefits that come with being a business owner or a CEO. So yeah, so today I just wanted to discuss more about taxes and being a business owner. The second episode we talked about finances and how to finance your business. So this episode goes hand in hand, but I really wanted everyone to know the benefits of Keeper, and they have a 7 or 6 day trial period where you can try Keeper for free, and then after that you'll be charged either the monthly subscription or the yearly subscription, depending which one you want to go for. But that helps me a lot. It helps me in terms of doing it myself manually, which I've done before, but this does it automatically, and all you have to do is attach the card that you use for your business, and it will automatically deduct and show up on the Keeper app. I will show a video of how the Keeper app works, and to give you a little more understanding of how it works. Not only that, it also provides videos about 1099. So if you were to have employment and they're not a W-2 employee, they're contract employers or employee, then they also show videos on how to understand about 1099s and what that means for you at the end of the year when it comes to your taxes, as well as other videos that are helpful to help you understand tax deductions when it comes to being a business owner. So it has a lot of helpful and support. The chat was very helpful, and it's 24/7. So that's it for today's podcast. Hopefully it was helpful. If you have any questions, I'll leave my business number down below, as well as the website. You can schedule a free consultation at any time. If you have any questions, you want to talk about business plans, I can talk to you about business plans. Thank you again, you guys. I will talk to you soon.